Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. If you watched my video yesterday, you could see the new shorts and longs accumulating in Bitcoin's price action. And of course, market makers decided to take out the longs. The price coiled around 96,000 before dropping from 96.7 thousand to 93.3 thousand, landing exactly on our blue horizontal line. Bitcoin bounced from there and is making its way back to 96,000, sitting around 95.5 thousand at the time of this recording. Instead of jumping into a trade, I would wait for the higher time frames right now. Still has a red dot active on the wave trend. Money flows in the red. Looking at the 2-week Bitcoin liquidation heat map, we can see that the newly built up long liquidations, which started at 94,000 and go all the way down to 92.4 thousand, got taken. In total, $282 million in longs were liquidated, compared to $62 million in shorts over the last 24 hours. The higher time frames don't look good right now, which makes me think market makers could take all the long liquidity down to 92.2 thousand, if not lower when new longs come in. The market right now is brutal. Retail traders believe the 4-year cycle is confirmed and are jumping in after the 100,000 level was broken in December. But market makers in whales are just using that as exit liquidity, wiping out over-leveraged longs again and again. It's absolutely brutal. Survival of the biggest. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 38, slightly up from 35 on February 10th, showing cautious sentiment among investors. Additionally, Bitcoin's correlation to the S&P 500 has dropped to 0, meaning it is moving independently of traditional macroeconomic influences. This could be a major shift in market behavior, making Bitcoin more of a standalone asset rather than just reacting to stock movements. And speaking of big developments, breaking news, Google's Web3 lead just announced that they are working on improving Bitcoin wallets. Their goal is for users to be able to log into wallets using Google and trade Bitcoin directly. This could bring a massive wave of mainstream adoption, but the real question is, will this be good for decentralization? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Stuck on FTX. Today was a big day. Repayments finally started. And here's where it gets wild. If you had one Bitcoin, you're getting back $18,000, which was the price of BTC in late 2022. If you had one Solana, you're getting $15 back. And if you held Ethereum, you're getting back $1,300 per ETH. The crazy part? Ethereum's underperformance over the past years actually saved these guys money compared to Bitcoin and Solana holders. It's a weird twist, but that's how it played out. This could mean some of these funds are coming back into the market, especially Ethereum, in the next few days. Something to watch closely. I'll keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading insights. Like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out. And see you in the next one.